If you want to activate eSIM on a Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, you want to proceed to Connections. Now over here in Connections, we want to go to the SIM Manager. And in here, you should be able to find Add eSIM option. If you have two SIMs active, like you have two physical SIM cards, the SIM number 2 card is going to be deactivated to make space for eSIM. So now we need to wait for the next menu to appear. Then over here, we should be able to either transfer our SIM from our previous phone, or you can scan a QR code. Also, you can enter the activation code if you have that, if you prefer it that way, or you can open the gallery if you have like a photo or screenshot of the QR code. Once you get the eSIM, you can press Add in order to add it, of course. If there is like an additional setup that you have to do, then of course be sure to do that. Just follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. After adding your eSIM, you might need to go through the configuration of your SIMs that you have available on your phone. So for example, you can set up the names for your SIMs, so you can go next and you can choose preferred SIMs for calling, messaging, and mobile data. You can tap on Done, and there we go. You just want to make sure that it is enabled in here if you want to use it. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.